Hello friends, welcome in Pavan Satoshi YouTube channel. So friend, today we are going to discuss about a new task in Perle Labs. Okay, if you want to join, you will get the link in my video description or in comment. So first let me show you that in earlier video I hope you have seen in my acts, and I have given you the complete guidance. It is, I think, more than 20 many VCs already invested on this project. So 32-minute video, and you can check out. This is my profile, Pavan Satoshi X. Okay, you can join it, or you will find it in my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel, Pavan Satoshi YouTube channel. You can find in my you can find in YouTube. So first let me show you that in earlier video I have completed all the tasks and the all point has been credited, because most of the people ask me that sir, we don't get the point after complete. So it can take 1 or 2 days, and after 2 days if you have correctly done, you can see that all points I have received here, right? So in this video we will learn that there is one new task. It is the logical fallacy detection. But here in last video I shown that how you can use the chat GPT and get the answer. In this video I will show you another trick. So let me first click this one, and you have to ensure that you use the message browser, and you must have connected your Phantom wallet. So first this kind of interface will come. You have to play the video. Let me play the video.
Welcome to the Perle Labs Logical Fallacy Detection Quest. I'm Carol, your Perle Labs guide, helping train AI systems to better understand how people argue and where their logic goes wrong. After joining the task, you'll read short arguments from everyday conversations or opinion pieces. Each argument contains one logical fallacy, a flaw in reasoning. Your job is to identify which type of fallacy it is. From ad hominem to slippery slope, you'll choose the most accurate label from 10 options. These classifications help AI spot flawed arguments and improve fact-checking. 10 questions, 100 points each. Let's get started.
So friend, after over this instruction, you have to close this button. Let me close it, and you can see we have to join this one. But remember, you must have 1000 point. And how you can get the 1000 points? So you can watch my this video. In this video I have shown that how to get the 1000 point. Okay, so after getting the 1000 points, so here, as I told you, that I will show you a new trick. So let me copy this. Even you can use the chat GPT also, but here I am going to use the Meta AI. Okay, so let me paste here and type, give me most accurate answers. So friend, you can see that hasty generation drawing broad conclusion from insufficient or limited example. Explanation: the argument makes a sweeping conclusion about all Thai cuisine. So hasty, let me check where is the hasty. So you can see this is the hasty, and here I will select the hasty, submit. Let me see, and you can see that it is asking to connect your Phantom wallet. Let me connect it. So it will take hardly any time. So let me first make it on desktop side, so easily it can get completed. Okay, let me, and what I have to do, I have to click on the submit transaction, right? Let me click on the submit transaction and submit transaction. So you have to keep it in desktop site. You can see that my Phantom wallet is detecting. So friend, if you have not joined, still you can join it. Let's wait. Nothing is coming. So what I will do, I will show you another trick. Just click this one. Okay, this is my Mrs. browser, and here I will click this one. So this trick you can apply in whenever you face this kind of interface. So what you have to do, you have to clear cache. Don't click on the clear storage. And let me close this and let me try again back, and let me click on submit transactions. So this is the second trick I told you. So it will take some time, and you can see that after some time it will get open. So friend, you can see that interface has been come, and I will put my password. So friend, you have to just confirm it. Let me see that what happened after here. So it will take time, and remember you must have $1 or $2 of Solana in your disconnected wallet. So waiting for the confirmation, and you can say that the transaction has been completed. So now friend, what we have to do, we have to click on the next task, and the same thing you can do friend. And let me, this time I will try something different. So I have taken the screenshot gallery, and I will put the screenshot, give accurate answer. So friend, you can see earlier I told you that how to complete in ChatGPT. Here I am showing that how to complete here appeal to authority. You can check out. So there are 10 questions, and we will give the answer here. So wait. So friend, here you can see that I don't know what is the issue here. So let me try our Firefox. Okay, let me try. Because in earlier video I also told that how we can complete. So I have already logged in with my Gmail, and let me see marketplace and how to complete this task. Okay, so wait here. So friend, here you can see that I will click this one, and answer is already selected. Let me click on submit, and let me click on the phantom wallet. So let me click wallet connect, open phantom. Let me click through the phantom wallet. So friend, let me check whether my wallet is correct or not. So friend, here I will connect, and let me check. Friend, in this video uh, you get to know that how you can directly complete this task in phantom wallet, also in the phantom dex. Okay, so if you are using, so friend, let me show you that if this kind of things will come, you don't need to get panic. You have to click this one, proceed anyway unsafe. Okay, so let me confirm again. Here you can see this options, confirm unsafe. So you have to click, and you have to ensure that you have selected this one. Okay, so yes, confirm. So this way you can complete through the phantom. So it is expired, so again I have to do. So the advantage of watching this video, that I told you 3 tricks. So proceed anyway, confirm unsafe, understand, Yes, confirm. So this way, friend, you can complete and you can see that waiting for the confirmation, and it takes very less than 1 cent gas fee. So answer is the wrong. So let me select all, copy, and this time I will use my chat GPT, and let me see. uh, let me see what answer. The correct answer is red hearing. Okay, let me select that one, red hearing. Where it is? This one, red hearing. Okay, so again I have to click on retry, and I have to click red hearing. So this way, friend, if something go wrong, you can use the both chat GPT as well, uh, Meta AI, which is available in WhatsApp. So you can see that the transaction has been getting confirmed. So waiting for the confirmation. I hope this time the answer will be the correct. So transaction is completed, continue. You can see that this answer is correct. So the same way we can, you can see we can copy all the things, and we can put here the add hominin, submit. So I will try to quickly complete this task. Proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm. So it will take some time. So continue. You can see this answer is also correct. So the same way you can just copy everything. So there is no rocket science. So this way you can complete all the question and answer. The add hominem. Submit. Confirm. So this way, friend, you can complete the tasks. You can see that how easily I am completing all these tasks. Copy. Answer here. And the correct answer is appeal to authority. So appeal to authority, this one. So in last video I shown another trick, that if you facing any problem, how you can use both browser like Firefox and Mrs. browser, and how you can complete it. And this video I am telling you that how you can complete this task in your Phantom wallet dApp browser also. So let me complete all these answers. So I hope you understand the full logic. Okay, let me fast forward all these things. So friend, you can see that I have completed mostly all of the answers. So let me go back and check whether all has been completed or not. So you can see that all tasks has been completed successfully. All our answers are correct. So let me see my point, and I will go back, and that you can see that immediately you get the points here. Okay, so you can see 2500 point I have already received. And let me see leaderboard. If you click on the leaderboard, and you can see right now I am in 20,542. Earlier I was more than 2 lakh. But this account I have created, I think, 2 days back. If you want to referral, so you can get the referrals and you can share your family and friends. In the setting I already told you that how you can connect all these things, right? So friend, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can see that I have very low fees, still I can complete all the tasks. So this was the trick, friend, and you can use all the things. Okay, and let me show you another thing that let me go back and I will click on the home button. So let me show you another things where it is marketplace, no, earning. Okay, let me click here in my profile. It is not available here. Let me see where it is. Leaderboard, no, home. So actually I wanted to show you something. So friend, when you will connect your wallet, so you can see this kind of badges, you can claim it. Okay, if you will click here, so you can see that let me click on researcher. So you must have more than 5,000 points, so then you can claim this one. Okay, but you must have some Solana gas fee, so I will do it later. So this way, friend, you can claim it later, but if you will click here, so it is showing that whenever you have 10,000 points, so you can claim this badges also. So friend, this is all about this, and let me show you. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, just find it here and you just search here Pavan Satoshi G, and if you click, you will get this channel, and we have more than 4,000. You can see this is my channel, and we have more than 4926 members. And here generally I give the all the tips, tricks here, and you can search here Perle. So all information you will get here in my Telegram channel, and you can see this is my invite link, right? So join it, and please let me give your feedback that how did you find this video. Thank you for watching this video, and share your family and friends. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Love you.